Welcome back to MS Tech. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at 5 different tech products you can add to your setup to make it a bit cooler and add a bit more functionality to it. All the products which will be mentioned in this video are linked in the description below. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So the first product that we have today is a vertical mouse. Now myself, I've seen these around before, but I really want to give one a go. And so I got one, and I do have to say that they are very, very comfortable. It feels super duper natural when I use the mouse in my hand, and overall it just makes it feel a lot more comfortable. But I will say that if you are a gamer and would predominantly use your mouse for gaming, this may not be the best option for you. Now the second product on the list is something in my opinion that is super duper underrated. It's a coiled USB-C cable. Now I picked one of these up and use it predominantly for my keyboard to clear up desk space and make it look a lot more visually pleasing. You could obviously use the included USB Type-C cable, but the coiled one adds a bit of personal touch to it, and honestly for $10 you can't go wrong. Now the third product on the list is pretty darn cool in my opinion. You know what? I'll let Matt tell you a little bit more about that product.
Hey guys, Matt here. Now this next product is something I actually like a lot myself. It's an extended RGB mouse pad, and if you know me and you've watched the channel, you know I love mouse pads. I have an extended mouse pad right in front of me right now, but this one has RGB lighting and is just $20, which is a great price to add a nice little touch to your setup.
Thanks, Matt. Now moving on, the next product we have on this list is something that you probably cannot see happening right now, and that is these cable organizers. Now for only $10, these things are amazing in making your setup look cleaner and hiding wires. The ones that I got came with a bunch of cable ties as well, which is super duper useful just in case you've got a bunch of cables which you want to tie together. For only $10, it cleans up your setup a good amount, and I think it's a really good add. Now the last product on this list isn't so much tech related, it's more so of a decorative piece, and that's the lava lamp in the back right there. I picked one of these up on Amazon, and the light it produces and the movements as well, both combined, adds a really nice personal touch to my desk. Again, it's not a tech piece, but it's still a really nice decorative piece which you can add to your setup. As always, all the products which are mentioned in this video will be linked in the description below. With that being said, thanks for watching. This has been MS Tech, and as always, stay classy.